The back office of an application is the administrative and internal management area not visible to the end user. In the case of the travel agency, this back office allows working with tourist attractions, their possible categories, and also working with countries. The outstanding feature of this back office is the use of artificial intelligence agents to support data entry. When accessing this back office, the customized design is observed, taking Unanimo as a base, which is the design system used by GeneXus Next by default. Within this customization, we have a collapsible options menu. From this menu, we first enter the categories and see a set of preloaded data. We can insert a new category, modify or delete an existing one, bearing in mind that categories cannot be deleted if there are tourist attractions associated with them. To add a new category, press Insert. Enter Art Gallery. And when we confirm, we return to the previous screen and see the new category. From here, we can search and filter the information. If, for example, we enter the letter M, it shows us the category Museum. By selecting it, we can see all the tourist attractions that belong to the Museum category. And if we select one, we can see its details. From here, it is also possible to update or delete the attraction. Similarly, we can work with countries and their cities. Let's stop now at the tourist attractions. We see all the attractions with a paging every 10 entries. And as in the categories, it is possible to insert, modify, and delete tourist attractions. Well, first let's register a tourist attraction for a country and city that already exist in the database. We are going to register the Rialto Bridge in Venice. From the Attractions Insert option, you only need to enter the name of the attraction. And an artificial intelligence agent returns its detailed description and a representative image. This image is extracted from free sites where there is no conflict of rights. As the form advances, another agent searches among the existing categories in the database and assigns the one that best corresponds to this new attraction. And finally, another agent assigns the country and city where the attraction is located, in this case, Italy and Venice. We confirm the registration. Now, there are different scenarios that are worth analyzing. What happens if you want to insert, for example, a tourist attraction of a city that is not registered in the database? If we observe, Italy has Rome and Venice as registered cities. Well, let's insert as a new tourist attraction Juliet's house in Verona, which we see is a city that is not in the database. We go to the Attractions panel and press Insert. We indicate Juliet's house and we receive its description and image. The corresponding category is assigned and we see that Italy is correctly assigned as country and Verona as city. Remember that Verona does not exist in the database, which implies that the agent inserted it automatically. We confirm this record. If we go now to the Countries panel, we verify that for Italy, the city Verona was registered. Let's see one more case. We are going to register a tourist attraction in Montevideo, Uruguay. As we can see, Uruguay is not a country currently in the database, and therefore, neither is the city of Montevideo. Again, in the Attractions panel, we press Insert and enter the Carnival Museum. We obtain its description, an image the museum category is associated with, and we see that Uruguay and Montevideo are automatically indicated. That is, the agent automatically inserted the country and city in the database. We confirm the registration and verify that Uruguay is now among the countries registered together with the city of Montevideo. To return to home, click on the Travel Agency Back Office title.